If you've navigated this far and you're interested about getting more insights on how bad data can negatively impact your business, chances are then you've probably already experienced this in real life. Chances are you've already been in a situation where you're sitting across the table from a senior executive and they want to know why the same customer is appearing twice on that report. Or maybe you've been asked by an executive, well, why did we ship a good to the wrong address? Or why are our returns so high? I could go on, but chances are you've already kind of experienced the negative ramifications of having bad data run rampant through your ecosystem. As a data and analytics leader or practitioner, these are meetings we don't really enjoy having. And trust me, I've been there. I've been the one to try to blame the water when I just do the pipes. But the reality is that no longer we can just point the finger at the business. We need to, as data leaders and data practitioners, we need to come up with solutions to solve for these 5 ways that bad data can run rampant and be horribly disruptive within your business. And like I said, I've been there. I've had data reports. I've had to listen about bad decisions. I've had to listen about operational failures. I've had to listen about why the production line went down. As a Gartner analyst, I've heard every nightmare story that you could even imagine. So yes, we've boiled them down to 5, but there's probably 5,000. If you read this article and are looking at MDM solutions like Profisee, this will help solve for a lot of these issues. Thanks for checking us out.